Firstly, we need to log into Salesforce with our credentials. To view the submitted forms, we need to click on Form Submissions, where we can see all the submitted forms in a list view. Now you can see the submitted forms. In the Action button, you can see the 3 options available. Now I am going to open form number S00011. In the Details tabs, you can see the form number, form name, form status, whether the form was submitted or not, the owner name, etc. Now I am going to click on the hotel reservation form. By clicking on the form name field, we can see all the details here. Here you can see all the configuration details related to the form, which we created earlier. I am going to click on the Edit button to edit or view the submitted form details. Here you can see from the name, current section, submitted by, created date, etc. That's how you can view or edit your submitted forms. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Till then, bye.